Calphalon has long been a household name for high-quality cookware, and the hard-anodized non-stick 10-piece cookware set lives up to its reputation. Designed for durability, convenience, and precision, this set promises to transform your cooking experience. Whether you're a home cook or a seasoned chef, its non-stick technology, oven-safe versatility, and dishwasher-safe convenience make it an essential addition to your kitchen. In this comprehensive review, we'll cover every detail of the Calphalon Hard-Anodized Nonstick cookware set, from its standout features to real-world usability. By the end of this review, you'll know whether this is the cookware set that can revolutionize your cooking and simplify cleanup. Key features of the Calphalon Hard-Anodized Nonstick cookware set. 1. Advanced nonstick technology. The triple-layer nonstick coating ensures food doesn't stick, allowing for easy cooking and cleanup. It's reinforced to withstand metal utensils, making it practical for everyday use without fear of scratching. 2. Durability. Tested over 100,000 times. Each piece in this set has undergone rigorous kitchen testing to ensure it performs flawlessly over time. Ideal for daily use, its hard anodized aluminum construction is designed to resist wear and tear. 3. Even heat distribution. The aluminum build ensures fast and even heating, reducing hot spots for perfectly cooked meals every time. 4. Oven-safe and dishwasher-friendly. Cookware is oven-safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making stovetop-to-oven cooking a breeze. Both pots and pans, along with tempered glass lids, are dishwasher-safe for effortless cleanup. 5. Ergonomic stay-cool handles. Stainless steel handles remain cool on the stovetop for safe and comfortable handling. 6. Versatility across stovetops. Compatible with electric, glass, and gas stovetops, this cookware set adapts to your kitchen needs. Each piece is thoughtfully designed for a range of cooking tasks, from searing meats to simmering sauces. Real-world usability. Pros and cons. Pros. 1. Ease of cleaning. The non-stick surface ensures even stubborn residues slide off effortlessly. Pair that with dishwasher-safe convenience, and cleanup has never been simpler. 2. Healthy cooking. No need for excessive oil or butter. The non-stick coating supports low-fat cooking. 3. Durable construction. Its hard anodized aluminum ensures the set holds up under heavy use, from daily dinners to festive feasts. 4. Safe and secure. The stay-cool handles and tempered glass lids enhance safety during cooking. 5. Stylish and practical design. Its sleek black finish complements any kitchen aesthetic while offering functionality. Cons. 1. Not induction compatible. Unfortunately, this cookware set is not suitable for induction stovetops, limiting its compatibility for some users. 2. Limited warranty. While the set comes with a 10-year warranty, some customers may prefer lifetime coverage. Why Calphalon Hard-Anodized Nonstick cookware stands out? Calphalon has a reputation for blending quality and innovation, and this set is no exception. Compared to competitors, its non-stick durability, even heating, and dishwasher-safe design give it a distinct advantage. The cookware set doesn't just meet kitchen needs, it exceeds expectations by delivering professional-grade results at home. Tips for maximizing longevity. To ensure your cookware lasts even longer, avoid using high heat unnecessarily, as it can degrade the non-stick surface over time. Hand wash with a non-abrasive sponge for delicate maintenance, despite its dishwasher-safe claim. Use silicone or wooden utensils to further preserve the coating. Is it worth the investment? For anyone who values efficiency, durability, and versatility in their cookware, the Calphalon Hard-Anodized Nonstick cookware set is a worthwhile investment. Its mid-range price point delivers exceptional value, combining professional-grade quality with home-friendly convenience. In conclusion, this Calphalon Hard-Anodized Nonstick 10-piece cookware set proves itself as a top contender in the cookware market. With its durable construction, superior nonstick performance, and thoughtful design, it enhances your cooking experience by making meal preparation easier and cleanup a breeze. The combination of oven-safe versatility, dishwasher compatibility, and long-lasting materials ensures this set is both practical and reliable for everyday cooking. While not suitable for induction stoves, its performance on other stovetops and its exceptional value for the price make it an excellent investment for any kitchen. Whether you're an amateur home cook or a seasoned chef, This cookware set delivers on its promises, making it a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen essentials. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.